trotters lined up for tonight's 13th, a field of 7 on gate, and the gate is rolling. And they're off. Felipe McKay away well from along the inside. Fort Worth also taking a shot early from the center of the track. SM's Terminator looking for good early position as they trot into that opening turn. And Felipe McKay there along the inside for Christensen. Fort Worth up on the outside into second. SM's Terminator caught 3 wide there around that opening turn as Patty Says So saves ground along the inside away in fourth. Abby came away trotting in fifth in front of Man Aloha away in sixth, and More Agio is the trailer past the opening quarter in 29-1. And SM's Terminator taking all kinds of tote action here. 2-1. He's up to take over now for Randy Gerald. Felipe McKay is back now in second. Patty Says So third. It's about 6 lengths back to Fort Worth, who begins to gap there in fourth. And Abby is caught behind the staller right now in fifth. Man Aloha remains in sixth, and More Agio continues to trail the pack as they remain single file towards the half. And it's SM's Terminator who takes him off the half-mile marker, 58-1. 29 seconds for that second quarter. Felipe McKay is right there to the inside, but they'll move to the outside with an early challenge here onto the far turn. Patty Says So tracks that cover up on the outside in third. Abby is now gaining ground quickly from fourth. It's about 8 more back to Man Aloha, who has taken over fifth. More Agio and Fort Worth still with plenty of work to do around the far turn. And Felipe McKay was up to take over. Patty Says So. Now only a half length back on the outside in second. Abby moves up on the outside from third. SM's Terminator begins to tire in fourth, off 3/4, 128-2. Felipe McKay has the lead as they turn for home. Patty Says So from in between horses, and Abby is finding her best stride on the far outside. 3 across the track as they drive for the finish. Patty Says So still there. Abby up on the outside. Abby on the outside. Striding by, Abby's going to get up to win it from Patty Says So, who was a game second. Felipe McKay finished in third. Man Aloha fourth in 157-4. To win it from